So this is what our room looks like. It's stunning. I mean, just look at this. And here's me. We have checked in, and let me quickly show you guys the view from the balcony. So this is what the view looks like. Wow, stunning. So happy and so excited to explore Phuket. The property is absolutely gorgeous and it's so affordable. हमने ये 4 दिन के लिए बुक किया है. Quickly going to grab something to eat, and Ishan also rented a scooter. So this is our scooter. I'm pretty excited for the ride. Day 1 in Phuket, and this is what I'm wearing. This is what my outfit looks like. I'm wearing this bikini top from Savannah, and this skirt I got actually yesterday for 200 baht. So we have come to this place called Kiri to have lunch. They have quite a lot of options and I'm confused. So I have ordered this Pad See Ew chicken, and Ishan has ordered fried rice with pork neck. Try it.
That's really good.
So it's the day 2 in Phuket, and today we have a lot of things planned. We are going beach hopping, bar hopping, cafe hopping. This place literally looks like we are in the middle of some jungle, but it's so aesthetic. So I have ordered iced mocha and Ishan has ordered iced caramel macchiato. Just had our breakfast at the Raga Coffee, and now we will do some beach hopping. The first beach that we will be exploring is Rawai Beach, which is very close, and now that we have a scooty, abhi to har jagah jana hai, itna convenient hai. So we are at the Rawai Beach. You can even take these long tail boats and explore islands. On our way to the third spot of the day, which is Coming Home Cafe. So very close to the Rawai Beach, there is this another aesthetic Instagrammable cafe where we have come. It's called Coming Home Cafe, and it's right next to the beach, so you can enjoy food, drinks here and get the view of the Rawai Beach.
Do you want?
The drinks and the food here is extremely affordable. So I'm having this refreshing orange shake, and Ishan is having Chang's beer, which is actually a Thai beer. On our way to the next beach, which is the Shang Chai beach, literally had to trek. Come here. There's literally no one at the beach. This feels like a private beach to us. So we have come to this cafe called Sun Desk, and just look at the view from here. I'll quickly give you guys a tour. Quickly came to grab some street food. We are having green Thai chicken curry and rice. So we had a long day, and now we feel very tired. So we quickly decided to go get massage. So we literally got the best massage ever. If you're in Thailand, massage to karwana banta hi hai. We went to the Darren Beauty Salon and beauty massage salon, and we paid like 400 baht each and got full body massage done, and it was so relaxing. पूरा दिन हम लोगों ने इतना इधर उधर घूमा कि we needed a really good massage, and this was it. Quickly stopped at 7-Eleven to get our dinner. So I took chicken tikka masala with turmeric rice and Ishan took something else. We are also quickly checking out some snacks to get. Yes. So day 3 started on a very disappointing note. हम लोग कैफ़े फुकेट व्यू पॉइंट जा रहे थे, एंड एट द करॉन बीच सिग्नल पॉइंट one cop stopped us and he was like, do you have international driving license? And we said no, and he was like, okay, you can buy a ticket. And we bought the ticket for 1000 baht, and he gave us the receipt. He did not give us the ticket, so that was kind of like a scam. And again, after like everything was fine, and after some time, again in some other signal, one police stopped us. I will include the footage of everything on the screen, you guys will understand. And then he was like, give us 1000 baht, and we were like, we bought the ticket, what are you asking the money for again? And he was like, no, you pay again. And we were literally like, you know, requesting them to leave us. They took our bike keys, and it was just so frustrating because we cannot be paying 1000 baht at every signal. That way we will go broke in like 10 minutes. So it was very disappointing. We bought the ticket again, which looks something like this. I will include that on the screen once again. The funny part is, at the first stop, the police told us you can drive around Phuket for 3 days with this ticket, which was a lie. He literally scammed us. That ticket was not valid. It was just be careful. If you have international driving license, that's great, but if you don't, make sure to buy the ticket. Okay, when you pay somewhere, you will get the receipt as well as the ticket. And now we are in Old Phuket town. Just grabbed some coffee and Ishan is having Thai tea latte. We are very disappointed with how day 3 started. We lost 2000 baht and we didn't even go anywhere till now. But let's see what day 3 has in store for us. So right now we are at the Old Phuket town, and this lane has so many beautiful colorful buildings where you can take pictures, and they also have bunch of aesthetic cafes, bakeries where you can eat. This is such a cute building. Come, let's explore this. The reality behind all the Instagram pictures. Just see the line. So for lunch today, we have come to this place called The Groove. It's by the beach. Welcome to day 4 in Phuket, and today everything started a bit late because we had to catch up with few work that is pending. So मैं वही कर रही थी, and even Ishan was working. So today we just had breakfast at the hotel, and now we are going to do some sightseeing. हम लोगों ने बहुत cafes, bars and beach देखा है. So today we thought, why not go do some sightseeing? We are going to see the Big Buddha. I don't know why is it closed. So we came to see the Big Buddha, but it is temporarily closed for some reason. I don't know why. But you can get like a side view from here. So right beside the Big Buddha, there is this small cafe where you can get an insane view. I will quickly show you guys. We have come to this cafe near the Big Buddha, and the view from here is insane, and even the drinks and food are so affordable here. So we ordered some Thai tea and enjoying this beautiful view. So we were planning to go to the Freedom Beach, but we could not for some reason, and we ended up at Kata Beach, which is equally beautiful. So it's around 8:30 p.m. right now, and we have decided to go to a night market which is called the Chilwa Market. It's one of the most famous markets in Phuket, and we are going there to shop a bit and maybe also eat. What? You should take this.
I know.
This is nice. Having watermelon juice. So today is the last day in Phuket, and we were just getting ready to go do island hopping. हम लोग का plan था कि हम लोग रवई बीच से boat लेके we'll go to Banana Beach and Bon Island, which is very famous in Phuket. But guess what just happened? It started to rain. इस weather में एकदम भी like it's very unsafe to go do island hopping. Honestly, I'm not that sad about the fact कि हम लोग आज island hopping नहीं जा पाए. Because tomorrow we are going to Krabi, and Krabi में हम लोग Phi Island देखेंगे और बहुत सारा island hopping करने वाले हैं, and there will be a separate vlog for Krabi. So we have booked our way to Krabi. Actually, we were thinking if we should take a car or a bus, but then the tour information that we have in the hotel, she suggested that we take a boat. On our way to the Kata Noi beach. So look at my tan. I'm tanned badly, but I'm loving this. So we have returned our scooty, and it's time to say goodbye to Phuket. We actually rented this scooty from this nearby place. You can see our hotel is somewhere over there, and this shop is like right beside our hotel. Okay, I think I'm going to end my Phuket vlog here. So we were at the beach the whole day. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले we just got back to our hotel. मैंने एकदम hair wash किया because today we were at the beach the whole day and swimming, just having fun, and it was a great time in Phuket. Like everything is so beautiful here. The beach, the bar, cafes, everything. The only annoying part was the police. वो वाला incident is the only annoying part. Apart from that, everything was great. And yeah, I will end my vlog here. Tomorrow we are checking out from the hotel around 7 a.m. और उसके बाद हम लोग जा रहे हैं Krabi. So Krabi vlog is also coming up very soon. Stay tuned. I hope मैं Krabi में भी अच्छे से पूरा vlog कर पाऊँ. I'm sure I will because I'm also making reels, इतना कुछ ये सब. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog as much as I enjoyed making this vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.